Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Majority.
What does the dictionary say?
The greater part or number. The number larger than half the total, opposed to minority.
Math rap.
Majority is more than half of the whole. It's the larger part of what you behold. If we looked at majority in numbers, though, it would be a number larger than half the total.
Math rap.
Explain majority in your own words. Is the surface of planet Earth occupied by a majority of land, water, or sunshine? Are the majority of your friends taller or shorter than you? If I spend 1,800 seconds studying for English class, 60 minutes studying for math class, and 2 hours studying for science class, what class do I spend the majority of my time studying for? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!